Smartphones are more costly than ever before that most of us wish we could hold on to these phones longer than usual. Yet, if you are searching and ready to commit for a long-term relationship with your smartphone, here are some things you should do to make your smartphone last for years. First is phone updates. As your shiny new gadget ages, so does its software. To keep devices running smoothly, manufacturers issue regular updates. Apple releases a new version of iOS annually, granting cool new abilities to iPhones. But for Android, this isn't always the case. It can take a while to get the latest updates. Only Google's Pixel phones come close to Apple's reputation when it comes to updating all their phones. So if you're really concerned about a phone manufacturer's reputation for providing OS security and updates, better do some research and consider if you can live with its compromises. Many of us delay installing these updates because some updates cause bugs and performance issues. But did you know that you are also compromising the health of your phone and the safety of your valuable data and information if you don't update regularly? Also, with your applications automatically updating via Google's Play Store or Apple's App Store, these performance issues are bound to come anyway. Second, protect your screen and your phone's body. A smartphone screen is the most likely component to fail first. Even if you are using a cover, dropping your phone could break the glass or smash it. Typically, the screen is one of the priciest components to replace. So after you buy a new phone, make sure you prioritize getting a good quality screen protector and shockproof case for your lovely phone. Invest in a good shock-absorbing case. It will hurt your pocket a little, but it is worth the price for sure. Third, battery health. Some users are not aware of checking their phone's battery health. Battery manufacturers estimate that the power of a phone battery would degrade by 20% after around 400 cycles. This will only be able to store 80% of the original capacity and will begin to degrade with additional cycles of charge. However, the fact is that mobile batteries are likely to fail faster than that. Avoid draining your phone battery to 0% or charging it all the way to 100%. Phone batteries are happiest if you keep them above 20% capacity and below 90%. To be extremely precise, they are happiest around 50% capacity. If your phone has a battery health indicator, you can check it from time to time so you will be aware of your phone's battery life. Fourth, keep your phone at a happy temperature. Many people may not know that, but temperature plays a big part in extending your smartphone's life. Put your phone on life support by keeping it in a happy tech environment, especially if you have a lithium-ion battery. Then next, clean up your storage from time to time. General maintenance matters. If your smartphone has begun to slow down, the first thing you need to do is troubleshoot and check how much space you have. The memory will go pretty fast with so many games, videos, and photos. So uninstalling some apps and using cloud storage can help. Because when storage starts running out, you will see a substantial drop in device performance as you approach 80% of storage used. It is time for you to Marie Kondo your phone. Delete those apps that do not give you sparks anymore. And last but not least, keep your phone clean. Over time, a mobile phone can become incredibly gross, mainly if they're never cleaned. Several ports and surfaces can easily get clogged with dirt and debris that can lead to a malfunction in your phone. Make sure to wipe it with microfiber to avoid scratches. Treat your phone carefully to make sure it will last as long as you want. Avoid keeping it around water or sticky surfaces and handle it with caution at all times. Phones are incredibly costly but essential, so get them a good cost and keep the battery in good shape as long as possible. It's better to be sure than sorry. But some of these tips will work on a case-to-case basis. It depends on how you really use your phone. If you overuse it or abuse it, or if your phone doesn't have a good reputation when it comes to build, there's no guarantee that your phone will last for 2 years or more for sure.